Your phone has 16 billion transistors. Have you ever wondered, how does that even happen? Let's find out together. Think of a chip like a city. Roads become interconnects. Buildings become logic gates. Districts become CPU, GPU, and memory. Chip engineers are the city planners at nanometer scale. A chip goes through 8 stages before it reaches you. Specification, RTL design, verification, synthesis, physical design, sign-off, fabrication, and finally, test and package. From spec to silicon, it takes 2 to 5 years and costs up to $1 billion. Every stage matters. What happens when verification is skipped? Intel's Pentium bug cost $475 million. The Ariane 5 rocket self-destructed in just 37 seconds because of one integer overflow. One unverified bug in silicon costs millions. This is exactly why verification exists. Every stage needs engineers. RTL design, verification, physical design, formal verification, DFT, all hiring right now. Verification engineers are the most in demand, with fresher salaries ranging from 8 to 18 lakhs per annum in India alone. Verification means trying to break your own design, on purpose. Functional timing and power verification. If design builds the city, verification makes sure it never collapses. Now you know how chips are born. Most engineers spend years without understanding this full picture. You just got it in 7 slides. Subscribe to VeriGeni and follow for more. Verify your potential.